So here let's see how to install Google Chrome on Fedora 44. And what we need to do, first open Mozilla Firefox and then go to the URL google.com/chrome. And then click on this download Chrome button and make sure to download the 64-bit RPM package. And then click on accept and install, and that will download the Google Chrome package. And then after the download is finished, open the file manager and then go to the download folder and then click on the RPM package. And if you are on the GNOME desktop, click on open with software install and then click on this install button. And if you are on the KDE desktop, right click and select open with Discover and then click on the install button here. Okay, so then that's how we install Google Chrome on Fedora 44.